Hello everyone. My name is Varun Dixit, and I had applied uh, for an education loan through VMAX College, and I want to share my experience with you. First thing, how I came to know about VMAX College. I was going through several portals for seeking an education loan for my higher studies, and since the loan amount was huge, um I was searching for a very uh, cheap and very uh, good uh, offer from Indian banks, and then I came to know about VMAX Scholars. It is a government approved organization that helps in getting education loans from Indian banks. Uh, so, how did they help me about my education loan? When I had registered on the portal for education loan, I immediately got a call back from them, and they asked me for details and my requirements on the loan. And after I gave them all my details and my requirements, uh, they explained me the whole process right from documentation to the repayment. And then a financial officer was assigned to me after I agreed to go up with them. After I chose to go with SBI, VMAX Scholars assigned a relationship officer and a financial officer to me, and the relationship officer explained me the whole process, very specific to SBI, and uh, one thing I want to share is that uh, if for SBI, if you apply on your own, it may take more than a month for them to even come back to you and then start the process of sanctioning the education loan. But through VMAX Scholars, the process was uh, very fast, and my relationship officer was in constant touch with the bank of officials, and my financial officer was in constant touch with me. Um, Another thing I want to say that, yeah, VMAX Scholars had sent me a whole list of documents that are required by SBI. If you check on the SBI portal for education loan, the documents which they mention and the documents which they actually required are very different from each other. So, since VMAX Scholars is a very experienced organization in this term, they had sent me a whole list of documents that are required by SBI for this loan. Uh, VMAX Scholars made this process very easy for both the bank as well as for me. The relationship officer and the financial officer were in constant touch with me throughout the process, and even during lockdown, they were working very hard to get my loan sanctioned. Yes, there were delays from the bank side during the lockdown, but VMAX Scholars made sure that I get my loan sanctioned on time before the deadline of my installments pass. I strongly recommend VMAX Scholars for all those who are seeking education loans from Indian banks. It does not charge any fees, and it is completely free with no hidden charges. And you are even eligible to get cashback of about 3,000 rupees. And if you refer to more people about VMAX Scholars, you may even get your air tickets free. In my case, the financial officer was Grishma Saparia, and the relationship officer was Mr. Furkan Sheikh. And I'm very thankful to both of them. And also, hello at bmxscholars.com, who were very, very quick in responding to all my queries. Thank you.